C language has a inbuilt operators. Operators basically perform the operations on operands. We know that, right? Operators, which we use for actually manipulating the data and then variable content, right? So that is what I think today's topic. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. Welcome to Maths Bridge. We shall continue our C programming learning. Okay, we are actually part of a slogan called a train and learn. We train, you will get an opportunity to learn. Okay, without further delay, let's get started. Folks, please do visit us at our YouTube channel Maths Bridge. I'm sure I think you are already subscribed to the channel. If you have not, please do subscribe the channel and then support us. Thank you and then happy learning. Here is our today's agenda. Comparison operator, comparison are relational operators, which basically like a comparing two operands and then provides the result based out of the comparison, either it is true or false, right? Equal, double symbol. Most of the times like we do have a mistake of giving like one equal as an assignment, but comparison requires two equal symbols. So check if the values of two operands are equal or not. If equal, returns true, otherwise false. Okay, not equal, this is checks if the value of two operands are equal or not equal. If not equal, right, this means not equal. If it's not equal, it returns true, otherwise false. So greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, all these basically actually giving a output as a logical return, which is true or false kind of thing. If you look at like a worked out problem, a sample program where I have two numbers and then I'm trying to do this all relational operators to see what would be the output. 105, right? Number 1 100, number 2 holding like a 5. Now I'm comparing using comparison operators, right? So 100 equal to 5, is it a true? This expression basically a false, and hence it returns false value 0. So logically you can think of false means 0, 1 means true. So for example, second statement you see num1 is not equal to num2. So the expression is right? 100 is not equal to 5. So your statement is true, and hence this should return a logical value 1. Get it? So num1 is greater than num2. You agree? 100 is greater than 5. So this logical expression returns true. So something like that, you can always see how these comparison operators helps you to compare the two operands and return the result as a logical value. Either it can be 0 or 1, true or false. True means 1, false means 0. All right, let's look at on my screen. I have a sample program displayed on the screen. So what we seen is actually for the comparison operator, basically like you have to relate the two operands and then see like how you can compare. Comparison means maybe both are equal, not equal, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Based out of the expression evolution, you will get the written as in a logical expression, right? Whether it is a true or the false. Okay, if you can see my screen, I have two variables declared and initialized as 150. Now I can see relational operator, right? Comparison operator, or equal. Do you notice this one? Double equal means like a comparison, not assignment operator. Okay, when I'm comparing two, if it is an equal, right, you sounds like num1 equal to num2, then if this expression is true, then if block is executes, right? This is a if statement. We will see detail in following session, but today this if block is basically evaluates this expression. If it is true, right, the expression is true within the if, then the body of the if will be executed, otherwise it's skipped. That is how it is. Let's evaluate one by one. 50 and 100 both are equal? Definitely no. So you are not going to execute this statement. The step 1 you would not see it as a output. Look at a step 2 where we have a not equal. Out of 100, number 1 not equal to num2. Agree? 50 is not equal to 100 is not equal to 50. So definitely the logical expression what it gives is like a true, right? So if true, then all the the if block is going to be executed. So that means like we have one statement which is going to be executed. So you would end up seeing this in output. Look at now, num1 is greater than num2. Agree? That means like step 3 will also be appears on your output screen. Num1 greater than or equal to. Greater than okay, but not equal, right? So probably you might not be seeing this. Less than, definitely no. Less than or equal to no. So we have 3 statements you could see as an output. So all other statements may be filtered out because of if logical expression. Let's compile this and then just run it. I would want you to observe. The displayed statements are like step 2, 3 and 4. So step 2 means like this one, this block got executed, so this expression evaluated as true. Step 3, this one, yes, 100 is greater than 50, so definitely if block is going to execute. So that's why you would see the second statement too. Step 4, what we have? Step 4, number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2. So basically 100 is greater than or equal to 50. You agree? Greater than or equal. Either is greater than or equal or. Okay, either of the two conditions true, and hence this also executes. Right? Very nice. So this is how your comparison operator works. So rather than writing like all these big if blocks, you can also make it a shorter way. So the way that we can do is, let me re-enable the second example which I have written already here. Do you see this one? You don't require to actually maintain a if block, rather you can just simply state out that expression. This expression based out of the computation, it gives whether true or false. Okay, so let me compile this and run it. Do you see this one? So evaluating this expression and the returns a logical value based of the true and false. Okay, 150 is not equal, so 0. Wherever you have seen 1, that means like those expressions are true. So I have seen here step 2, step 3 and step 6, right? These are actually ones, rest all zeros. Clear? So you basically like you can use these comparison operators the way you would like to, but ideally speaking this expression if evaluates as a true or false, so it returns true or false based out of the outcome of the evaluated expression. The if block can decide whether it should let if block executes or else block executes based out of the condition whatever you were writing in your program. So the branching out is definitely important for your writing a program, right? So it is not just always a sequential program. Sometimes you have to, based out of the condition, you need to skip certain things. So that is where this is going to be widely used utility. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.